Last number of months I've been meeting with service providers who have children coming from particularly disadvantaged areas. They've told me the difficulties they're experiencing with certain elements of the NCS. My department brought forward a number of kind of interim measures to try and support, but there is a deeper issue here, particularly on how the NCS affects children coming from really disadvantaged areas. So we're doing a piece of work at the moment looking at the first year of the implementation of the NCS. I specifically asked that would look at its impact on areas of disadvantage as well. That research will be coming back to me in the next number of weeks. I'm very conscious I don't want to rush out with some solution without actually ensuring that it will meet the needs of these young people. So I hope within the next number of weeks to be able to bring solutions forward to these service providers, particularly in these areas of disadvantage.
Can you give us any idea what kind of solutions are being considered, like a DESH status or anything like that?
I think in the longer term, the idea of a DESH status is certainly something that the expert group that's been meeting over the last 2 years has been considering. But I think any sort of completely new model like that will take a little bit of time to bring in, and I'm conscious that there are children right now who are being negatively impacted, and I think I want to get an interim solution for them. So I don't want to say any more until I get that research, because again I want it tailored to meet the actual needs of these young
Minister,
people.
some of these providers have told
sector for the last number of years. One of the key issues at the moment is the way the National Childcare Scheme is actually designed in terms of funding. So children whose parents are not working are falling outside the cracks because their hours have been reduced, and you're talking about children who are very vulnerable, who maybe are going to their childcare facility for a hot meal, somewhere that they're safe and secure. Help with homework after schools is a big thing. So that's why this group is here today, and they're presenting to the Children's Committee, which I chair later on today.
Mary, tell us why you guys are here today.
We're here today really to protest at the National Childcare Scheme. And the National Childcare Scheme is very good. It for the disadvantaged children, already disadvantaged. And our experience is that children whose parents are not working or are not in training get less access to early childhood education. And therefore, if we ever are going to change society and break the cycles of disadvantage, we're not doing it because we're not treating children equally and they have equal access to early childhood education.